Hello everyone. So here is a problem description that we have to solve by using the AI agents like a cursor and cloud code, ChatGPT or Gemini. So the problem is here so we are facing issues with the manual work while we working with the any project. So we have a list of tasks that we are managing somewhere. For example, here we are managing that thing in the Jira. So our engineering team will develop that code and prone the error, and then after the QA team testing that code, and then they will deploy the things on the particular server. So now we are going to solve this problem and try to achieve this whole process within 48 hours, as the problem description also says, like to staging 48. So this is the problem statement, like one Jira ticket lands to staging 48 hours later, and the Jira tickets convert in the green CI budget live staging URL. So this is the things that we are going to solve. So in the team, we are like me and Himesh is working on it. So Himesh approaching different things in his application, and I'm trying to solve this problem in a different way. So let me start the project that we have worked on. Okay. So when the user open this application, so the user needs to log in with his Jira credentials. So for example, I'm using my Jira logins. So and also user for this application, anyone can log in the Jira credentials in this. It can be different company, it can be different domain. For example, here you can see like there's 2 or 3 logins I've already tested here. For example, there's a Hexaview, and also my project partner like Himesh has a different own Jira. So I can also log in with this Jira ticket. Okay. So here is the credentials. For now, for the credentials, the user have to generate the API key. So this application can easily access and grant the permission to Jira login. So miss something here. Okay. So this is the after logging this application, the user will get this screen, and in this screen the login user name should be displayed here, and all the tasks that is not closed yet on the Jira that are listed below. And user have functionality to search the ticket number, or also can explore the drop down. And if the user want to refresh the task, so if there is recent ticket get assigned, so user can also refresh the task and able to see all the ticket that is assigned to him. So for example, here is a list of tickets. So let me take something like here. Once user gets selected any task, so the whole description will display in the project description for refinement. And also user can save the technology, like on which technology they want to code this problem. So for example, I can take React or Angular. I'm taking the backend as a .NET. So there's a whole description that is written by the user, or it is present in the ticket. So here is a refinement button. So the purpose of this button is like if there is any human error in the requirement or any grammatical mistake in this, so by using this refinement button. So whole description get refined by using the Gemini AI agent. Okay, so now you can see here the in the requirement refined requirement section, you can see the whole description that is selected there. So, and also user can have access to edit this refined requirement. So for now, at the response, you can see there is some additional text get present here. So let remove unnecessary things, and we can alter the requirement. Like here you can see the personal finance management web application. So it is a refinement done by the Gemini. So once refinement get done, if user can also certify with the same thing, so same description, then user can just copy and paste that description into this box. So using this refined description, we can generate the prompt. So the user just need to click on this generate prompt button. The prompt is generating. Okay, so you can see here the prompt is generated. So the generated prompt, the purpose of this generation, like we are following some template, the predefined well-structured template. So the requirement get break into the different section. So any AI agent can use this prompt and can generate the project for us. So here there is a project analysis and type of project and tech stack that we are selected here. If there is a requirement of any database, that is present here. So user can also review these things. If any unnecessary things get added in here, so she or he can remove that one. So now the things like here is a start new conversation and button. So the purpose of this button is like any agent that if we are going to give the multiple commands, so they are taking as a context of the previous request. So for example, we have a different ticket and different context. So the context we want to generate prompt by using the current context and generate that project. So we can unclick here. So for example, here the start new conversation. So it mean like this is the fresh prompt that we're going to give any of the AI. So now here we use the cloud code AI agent that have a functionality to access give a chat with that AI agent by using the API. So we are integrated that one. So let's generate that code. So here is the generation is ongoing. So you can see here is a generate project code bar. So it is giving the indication the process is still running. So let's wait for a few minutes. After generating this, after all generation of this project, so once we have a response from the cloud code, so we can see here all the project files that is generated by this prompt, and user can also select any of the file and can review from this full project structure. So this is our whole goal to try to achieve by using this application. So also we have some limitation with the cloud or with any of AI agents. So that is the reason that this application is still need to improve. Once we have ability to generate the whole project and generate the response that we want. So just wait for a few minutes once code is get generated. And also second thing, if anyone can want this, anyone can, like for example, we integrated this cloud code AI agent. If someone want to use the different AI agent, so the user just want to copy this whole prompt. Let me try it for you. For example, just taking a random name. Okay, now you can see like here's a readme file, and also we have a different file like package.json. So here we can see whole the project structure, right? So okay, so the purpose of this for this file things, like if someone wants to review this whole code, so they can select this file, and they can able to see all the code here. So this is a like this application is still implementation phase, so we have a further required further improvement, but the whole idea is here. Like we can see all the generated file, and we can review that file. If we are satisfied that those, so we can proceed further. So here is also option for the download zip project, zip, like a download project zip. So it means like if someone want to uh, run that code in or local or anywhere, so they can also able to download that project. It I'm expecting there would be some file inside that. Okay, so it is generated front end for now. So and user can use this project file and open the project in our local system or anywhere country. And also there is a deployment project button. So here the whole idea is like once this project tested, like all the things done by the AI agent, but still human interaction is needed here. So for now we can take like this project created correctly. So user need to enter the deployment path here, and this is the idea that I am assuming still it is not developed. So the purpose of this button is only things like to deploy this project or anywhere. So there is some limitation with the AI agent, so that's why this process is not completed, but we can take it in our further improvement. Okay, so that's all about this project. Let's wait if the cursor is able to create this whole project. Like you can see here, like the cursor AI is using the command and different instruction again and again. So we cannot 100% remove the human interaction with this whole automated application. I think he's created only the backend part. So you just need to give another command here. Okay, doing something for us. Okay, so that is all about this project. I hope this concept is clear, and if any feedback from your side, so you guys can suggest to me, so I can try to implement those things and improve this application. Okay, thank you.